Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine. So today in this video I am gonna talk about leading maritime lawyers, Houston maritime attorneys. Before start my video, I request you please subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start today video. Houston maritime attorneys, we serve injured maritime workers, nationwide offices in Texas and Louisiana. Just like any other industry, seamen are at risk for suffering work-related injuries anytime they are on the clock. The courts recognize this and are continually working to protect injured seamen through general maritime law. Maritime law gives workers who have been injured offshore or in the maritime industry the chance to claim necessary compensation for any suffering of medical complications. The following acts are foundational to maritime law: Jones Act, Death on the High Seas Act, Limitation of Liability Act, Longshoremen and Harbour Workers Compensation Act. General maritime law is the basis for all injuries sustained by seamen. It is important to have a comprehensive understanding of the general law before delving into the subsequent acts. Free maritime case review. You need the best maritime attorneys to handle your case. Contact us today. Case results: $8 billion, top three largest jury verdict in US history. Arnold and Ifkin try a case against Johnson and Johnson for failing to warn about a drug's most damaging side effect, gynecomastia. Our skill, hard, and dedication resulted in the third largest jury verdict ever obtained for an individual. My future looks very bright through Arnold and Atkin. I can honestly tell you that my family is well taken care of. Our wedding is over. Everything is just fine now. I don't know where I would be without Arnold and Atkin. History of Admiralty and Maritime Law. Maritime law, also referred to as Admiralty law, is nearly as old as the shipping industry itself and governs most accidents that occur on navigable waters. The law roots can be traced back to the unwritten customs of nautical behavior of the Egyptians and Greeks. However, the earliest formal courts were established around 900 BC on the Greek island of Rhodes. The original maritime laws and codes stemmed from the ancient customs and rules of shipping. For example, the doctrine of general average, the concept that all sea cargo stakeholders, owner, shipper, evenly share any damage or losses that may occur as a result of voluntary sacrifice a part of the vessel or cargo to save the whole can be traced back to the early shipping customs of the Rhodian. The concept of separate legal authority regulating maritime issues was brought to the West by Eleanor of Aquitaine, who learned of the concept when she accompanied her first husband, King Louis V7 of France, to the Mediterranean on the Second Crusade. The term Admiralty law came from the British Admiralty courts who presided over maritime matters separately from England's common law courts. As the US judicial system is based on the British system, amended Admiralty laws were gradually incorporated into our legal system soon after the Constitution was ratified. Though still based on the industry standard and customs, maritime law is largely found in US Constitution, treatises, and international conventions. Federal status, the general maritime law, and other judicial decisions, administrative regulation, and custom. When does maritime law apply? Perhaps most obviously, maritime law applies to events that occur on high seas. In other words, accidents that happen beyond the territorial waters of any country. Furthermore, maritime law applies to the territorial sea, which are waters within 12 miles of the shore. However, the law applicability becomes less clear further inland. Early in the United States history, maritime law did not apply to incidents that occurred within the body of the country and therefore excluded incidents involving the Great Lakes and non-tidal inland waterways. However, throughout the 19th century, this exclusion eroded away. So this is our today video about Houston maritime attorney laws in US. So Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. See you in next video. Take care. Goodbye.